Hi everyone, I'm Ujjwal. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix cursor moving too fast on Mac. So, if your cursor keeps jumping across the screen and feels difficult to control, the tracking speed may be set too high. When this happens, even a small finger movement can cause the cursor pointer travel too long distance. And to reduce the cursor speed, click on the Apple logo at the top left corner of the screen and then choose System Settings. Now here scroll down all the way in the left side pane and then go to after that here you can see tracking speed toggle. I have made the slider towards fast. That's why the movement is too fast, and to slow up the speed you can just slide the slider towards the slow side. After each adjustment, test the cursor movement on the screen and see if it's feel comfortable to you or not. If the cursor is still moving too quickly, continue reducing the speed, and once you find the right setting, close the system settings, and that's it. So if this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.